Here's how to use ChatGPT that everyone's talking about. ChatGPT was launched by OpenAI last November, so go to OpenAI and then click Try. Now create your profile for free, just follow the prompts, super easy. Once you're in, you'll get a dashboard like this. Now simply type in the question you want to ask the AI. This is my input, write a blog article, why business owners need to start on TikTok. So just put in whatever you like here and then AI is gonna generate your answer. I'm pretty impressed by how fast it responded with an answer, and in this case, it's actually writing my blog article for me. If you're new to ChatGPT, this is actually a technology that allows you to have a conversation with AI. It can understand and respond to you like you're talking to a real person. Here's a blog article that it wrote for me. Okay, now I'm gonna ask it to give me headline ideas for my blog post. And just like that, in seconds, it's generating all the blog titles that I can choose from. And the best part is, I feel like I'm actually having a conversation with this robot. Okay, I'm loving these, but can you make it more formal? Oh my gosh, this is nuts. Okay, so these are pretty good if I'm posting this on like LinkedIn. So this is basically how to use ChatGPT. Let me know in the comments if you used this before, and make sure to follow me for more digital marketing tips.